Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to get your driver's license in California. And so the first thing you're going to need to do is take a driver's ed course. So if we just go to aceable.com, that's a website we've used before for online driver's ed, and then scroll down to the driver's ed button and click that. Find California on the list and click it, and then go down to enroll now. Now they have a promo discount, and with the discount, you can do the California Driver's Ed for $50, and without the promo, you can do it for $70. So we're going to go ahead and claim the promo. And you would just fill in your information here and take your driver's course as needed. Next, we're going to actually go up to Google and search for how to get a driver's license in California. Right here up at the top, there's going to be a driver's license link for California. And on the left-hand side, there's going to be driver's license. And you click on that, and it's going to have information for before you begin. Things like being prepared to create a DMV online account. You must have your social security number on hand, and the average time to complete the application is about 9 minutes. So on the left side of the screen, you're going to hit Start Application. And for us, we're going to choose English. Then you're going to create an account with the DMV and fill out your application and schedule an appointment at your local county's office. And that's how you get a driver's license in the state of California. Hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have questions or comments, please drop them in the comments below.